and welcome all developers, creators, brands, augmented reality pioneers, and everyone else in our community of explorers. Today, we launched the Niantic Lightship platform. From the first days of Niantic, our goal has been to create augmented reality experiences that can be enjoyed by millions of people around the world, and the platform which can power them. At Niantic, we believe humans are the happiest when their virtual world leads them to a physical one. Our technology encourages people to go outside, exercise, and maybe most importantly, connect with other people in the world. Through Ingress to Pokemon Go, Pikmin Bloom, and the forthcoming Transformers Heavy Metal, people around the world are exploring their neighborhoods, catching Pokemon, seeking out the interesting hidden gems in their local parks, and interacting with friends. Movement and interaction are basic requirements for health and happiness, a lesson the pandemic has reinforced for so many of us. Creating those experiences has been so exciting and rewarding for us. And yes, we've always known that transforming humanity's relationship with technology by merging the physical and virtual worlds will require the ideas and perspectives of as many people as possible. That's why today, I'm pleased to announce we're opening up our platform so developers and creators like you around the world can realize their own visions for augmented reality. We call it Lightship. We've been working with some early explorers on early versions of the technology for the last several months. Today, you'll see what they've built using the Niantic Lightship platform. What we're showing and releasing today is just the first chapter, the first set of technology and services, with many more to come, all focused on the goal of enabling developers to create new, planet-scale augmented experiences. To catalyze these efforts, today we're also announcing the Niantic Fund, a $20 million fund to invest in companies that are building the next generation of AR experiences on our platform. To learn more, go to lightship.dev. Today's an exciting step on our journey to open up our platform to empower all of you to help invent the future of augmented reality. But before we tell you what you can do with our platform, I want to take a step back. Today, we stand at the threshold of the next transformation in computing. Our mission at Niantic is to inspire people to explore the world together, to draw people into the physical world, to help them stay active, and to connect them with the people, places, and history that form the bedrock of their own neighborhoods. I believe our mission as a company paves a way for technology to serve humanity. As I wrote in our blog earlier this year, I believe augmented reality can help us succeed in that mission. But the fact is, the future we believe in is far from certain. Fortunately, we live in the moment when it will be decided. About once a decade, for the last 70 years, a new computing platform arrives and revolutionizes the way we work, play, communicate with each other, and lead our lives. From mainframes to personal computers to cloud computing to the mobile phone you hold in your hand today. We're now at the beginning of another one of those shifts, and it could be the most consequential one yet. This transition will truly blend the real and the digital world and how we see, move in, and perceive it. This new shift also arrives at the same time that many people are questioning the role of technology in our lives, asking if technology serves us or if we serve it. To begin to answer that question, we have to discuss the metaverse. If you're like me, the word metaverse triggers memories of some great science fiction, going back to Neil Stephenson, one of my favorite sci-fi writers, and his 1992 novel, Snow Crash. In the pages of Snow Crash and in films like The Matrix, the real world has become such a mess that people escape by immersing themselves completely in virtual worlds, disconnected and isolated from the real one. But is that truly destined to be our future? At Niantic, we don't think so. We see a future where we use technology to thrive as human beings, to build a better world, and to help people live richer and more fulfilling lives. And it's based on the idea that technology can draw people into the world, not isolate them from it. Unlike the sci-fi metaverse, the real-world metaverse will use technology to improve our experience of the world as we've known it for thousands of years, as a place of purpose, novelty, and community. At Niantic, we ask constantly how technology can nudge people to explore the outdoors, exercise, and engage with others. Can it connect us with public spaces we barely know, help us meet up with friends, or even find new ones? Can it help us discover magic, history, and beauty hiding in plain sight in the places we know and those we've yet to explore? Making this magic into reality starts with technology. Technology that can connect the real world to a digital world, infused with data, information, interactive creations, and services. A metaverse. Building this real-world metaverse requires powerful tools, including hyper-accurate maps that let us fuse atoms and bits together within centimeters, and infrastructure that lets us share state among hundreds of millions of users. The end goal is to enable those vast millions of users to create, change, and interact with digital objects in the physical world, and within an experience that is consistent and shared by everyone. Instead of enabling people to escape from the world, our goal is to use technology so people can engage with their world. We believe that this shift to the next computing platform and augmented reality is an incredible opportunity for developers like you to help shape the future and to build a new generation of important companies. So how do we build this future together? I hope you can see why we're so inspired to open the ARDK to developers around the world. The tools available today will help you create new AR experiences, which feature the best multiplayer, semantic segmentation, and real-time meshing. The proof is in the demos you just saw. To be clear, we're far from done building and sharing new tools to help you create incredible, immersive, real-world AR experiences. As I said earlier, our aim in building these tools and this platform technology is to open a new world of possibilities to millions of developers around the world. There's one more thing I want to share today. Since the beginning of Niantic, we've wanted to build a 3D map of the world. For AR developers working today, that means the Niantic map, or visual positioning system. Building this map is one of the grand challenges of augmented reality, and it's key to making the real world come alive with information and interactivity. Our visual positioning system will allow you to place virtual objects in a specific location and have that object persist so one person can leave a virtual object for someone else to find. I'd like to show you what a working VPS from Niantic looks like. This is live production code. So far, we've been able to add thousands of locations to this dynamic 3D map of the world. The VPS will be available to developers next year and will complement the tools in the ARDK and the entire Lightship platform to bring real-world global game boards to life. We're excited about the experiences that we're building here at Niantic. We know that we don't have a monopoly on ideas or creativity. The experiences and applications that you build will change the way people understand, interact with, and explore our world. The fact is, a real-world metaverse is not owned by any one company, and it should build on our shared world and humanity, rather than seeking to replace or subvert it. That vision of the future drives us to build this technology platform and tools so creators can build a healthier, more entertaining, and more fulfilling world. To everyone who has joined us on the Lightship journey so far, thank you for being our fellow explorers. To every other brand, business, developer, artist, and creator out there, no matter where you are in the world, please join us as we explore this new frontier in technology together.